Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Gemini to summarize YouTube videos. First, you'll need to find the YouTube video you want to summarize. Once you have the video open, locate its unique URL. This link is crucial for Gemini to access the content. We'll then move on to pasting this link into Gemini and getting your summary quickly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the YouTube video you wish to summarize. Look at the top of your browser window, specifically the address bar. This is where you'll find the video's URL. Carefully copy this entire link. It's important to get the full address so Gemini can correctly identify and process the video content for you. Now, open Google Gemini. You can do this in your web browser or through its dedicated app. Once Gemini is ready, simply paste the YouTube video link you just copied directly into the chat input field. After pasting, type a clear prompt like "Summarize this YouTube video" or "Give me the key points from this video." Gemini will then process your request. After Gemini provides the summary, take a moment to read through it. You'll quickly get the main ideas and key information from the video without having to watch the entire thing. If you need more specific details or have further questions, don't hesitate to ask Gemini follow-up prompts. It's a powerful tool for quick comprehension. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to grab little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.